So we're going to start from the mount position where I have head and arm control. Okay, so now we're going to go for a straight arm bar from this position. I'm going to slide my body into a high mount, but I need to prevent him from following me. So when I slide up, the arm that is under the head is going to cup the top of his head so he can't actually follow me. I keep my other arm, the one that is underhooking his arm, not past the elbow line. If I pass the elbow line, I'm going to lose the arm. And I use the blade on my arm, on his arm, the whole time, so the blade is actually helping me finish the submission. Okay? I start sliding myself up. I use my head as a third arm so he cannot bring the wrist to the other side. And now look, I go to high mount. I keep below the elbow level. I use my head to drive his hand down and finish the arm bar. Alternatively, I can also use my hand, grabbing my biceps with the underhook hand and cupping the top of his wrist, pushing his hand down. I need to make sure that his thumb doesn't change direction, because otherwise the elbow is going to get out of the position. Okay, so I hold it tight, I sprawl my chest on top of him and finish the arm bar. So that's the straight arm bar from the mount.